charge density. Same process as with your spin density. You go to charge density analysis on VASPKIT, option 31. Select option 311 for your charge density file, and then export your charge.vasp file. I'm going to import that locally. We're going to open that right up in VESTA, and you can see well, actually this isn't surprising because none of them should have any charges, so this probably wouldn't be a fair comparison, but if you do have charge systems, you'll see a different color. Mine will be green. Maybe they are charged. If I visualize, go back here and I try to look at my charge.vasp file. Well, it's not particularly readable. It's quite a lot of lines as well. Well, anyways, I'm not really sure how to read this, but you could play around. This is a neutral system, but I mean, if you guys are able to get something out of it, view it differently, hopefully you guys could see something that I don't. But in the meantime, you could always head over to ISO surfaces, adjust the color as you see fit. If I do green, yeah, that just changes the outside. You can do just positive. That apparently doesn't do anything. Just negative. Ah, okay. You do positive and negative. So all these uranium atoms are going to be positively charged then. Yeah. You could change the... Ooh. You could change this color. See how that works. Okay, so that's the outside. Then it goes from green to something else then. I'm not sure what the green is. If I had a negatively charged atom, I'd be able to tell you, but we make do. You could inverse your color. That doesn't do anything. Hopefully this helps partially. If you guys end up getting more information about this, feel free to leave a comment down below if anything I said was wrong. But thanks for watching again.